I will never forget being in the first year of my PhD and my supervisor saying to me, once you learn how to read the data, you'll realize that a lot of these peer-reviewed articles aren't as statistically significant as they seem from first glance. And that year was the hardest research I've done in my entire life. Because you know what I found out? It is so freaking hard to prove that a source is reputable. You know why? Because you have to prove that it's peer-reviewed. You have to know who the peers are, who paid for the study, what the sample size was. You have to prove that the sample size was actually like reflective of the population that the sample size was meant to represent. You have to look at the data and see if they say it's statistically significant, and then how statistically significant, because there's levels to this, and you have to know that because you're the researcher. So if you're in a similar situation, let me show you one thing that would have made my life way easier back then. Okay, so you go to this website and you just upload all of your papers here. Once they're all uploaded, they get saved to your own library over here where you can view them all. And you can also sort them all into a folder based on what exact topic they're for. And within that folder, you can view all of the papers side by side. But when you come over here, this opens a chat box where you can actually ask it questions about the papers in the folder. It always gives an extremely detailed response with little reference links that show you exactly where it pulled that information from, so you know it's all legit.